What up YouTube, this is Leroy, and today I'm going to be doing a review on my new Raptor 468 First Strike Ready Paintball Rifle. Here's the box that it comes in. Got the lovely 468 logo on it. It does not have the disclaimer, but then again I am used to the Takamo Blizzard. And I gotta tell you, coming from the Takamo Blizzard to the 468, there's a major difference. Everything about the 468, it mimics the aspects of a real AR, so pretty much everything on the rifle you can customize to your liking. Now let's go over the things that I bought for it. As you can see up top, I have the Vism Echo 4x34 scope with a green laser. Focus on that. Let's see, look at that. There we go, with the green laser and the nav light. This ran me about $189 off Amazon. I like how it comes in this nice bag. They got the styrofoam in there. I'll open this up a little more. Styrofoam. Comes with the tool, so if you want to add like a little red dot to the top of it, you can do so. I have the HHA Optimizer. First time I was going to go buy one of these, they were out of stock. And then I just so happened to look one day and saw that they had them, and so I had to snatch it up. This ran me $200 off the Modern Combat website. I have this 1-inch riser, which ran me $25 off the Modern Combat website. I have the 17 cubic inch tank on here, which ran me $100 off the Modern Combat website. I have this rubber pistol grip, which is a must. The feel is just so much better compared to the stock pistol grip. This was $25 off Modern Combat website. This fake dust cover was $25. I also have the lovely Crown Arms PDW handguard, which was $149 off the website. And then I have the 14-inch one-shot barrel. And then to add a little touch, I bought 6 custom D-Mag First Strike Ready magazines with the Raptor plate. And I like how I, added a little touch to it. All these together, all 6 of them together ran me $120 plus shipping and handling. So it just adds a little touch to it. Originally, this is the 468 CQB, which ran me $749 off the Modern Combat website. And that rifle comes with the 13 cubic inch tank. I believe this is either the 6 or the 8-inch Lapco barrel. Not sure what type of handguard and length this is. The SOCOM 23 mock suppressor. Pretty nifty, I like this. And then the plastic pistol grip. So like I said, the rubber grip is a must. Just gives a whole new feel to your rifle. I really love this rifle. Like I said, coming from the Takamo Blizzard, as you guys could see in my previous videos, coming from the Takamo Blizzard sniper rifle to this beast is a major difference. Literally almost everything on this rifle is customizable to your liking, from the buttstock to the muzzle. Literally everything is customizable to your liking. As soon as I can, I will be doing a video on the shooting, the accuracy, and so on. But please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of this rifle. If you have any concerns or comments or anything you'd like to share, please let me know in the comments, and I will be sure to get back to you as soon as I can. Until next time, peace.